Have you ever heard of a tree that can change your life? Meet Moringa, known as the miracle tree, revered for its astonishing nutrient profile. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa supports heart health, combats inflammation, and boosts immunity. Research reveals its potential in managing diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels and improving cholesterol. Imagine a natural remedy that fights malnutrition and enhances energy. By incorporating Moringa into your smoothies or meals, you could unlock its vast health benefits. Join the growing number of people embracing this powerhouse plant for a healthier future.